6 also I will be continuing today itself. Law of exponents. You have been already learned all this in your previous year, that is 8th standard now children. So it is simple. A power m into a power n is a to the power m plus n. A power m by a power n is a to the power m minus n. All that you have learned now. See here, all the 4 are given. So after finishing this exercise, what you will do is, next subheading you will write law of exponents for real numbers. And if you come to page number 25 children, in your textbook you have all the 4 law of exponents given there. You will write all the 4 ones. That is, a power m into a power n is a power m plus n. A power m whole power n is a power m n. A power m by a power n is a power m minus n. A power m b power m is ab whole to the power m. So with this, keeping this law of exponents, directly we will solve. Wow, done. Exercise 1.6. We have only 3 mains with 4 problems each. So hardly 4 plus 4, 8 plus 3, 11 problems we need to solve. Fatapat we will do and finish this lesson. Let us next move on to the new lesson. So I am not going to solve any example problem children, since you have studied one whole unit with this law of exponents. I don't want to solve any example problems. Directly I will go to exercise. Don't forget to write all these 4 laws of exponents. So we should find. First question is 64 to the power 1 by 2. So what we should do is, in this case, let us go for the LCM method. We shall start with 2 table. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2, 1 remaining, 2 6s are 12. 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. How many 2s we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 64 to the power half. It can be written as, in place of 64 children, now I will write 2 to the power 6. I will not showing you by writing 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 6 times and all. No, that work and all for you. So 64 to the power half means, power half I am not at all touching. What I got 64, no, that I did with LCM method, and I got 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means 2 to the power 6 whole to the power 2. So, look children, so when we replace 64 by 2 power 6 to the power half, it is of the form a power m whole power n, which is equal to a to the power mn. Please don't go to add. So it can be written as 2 to the power 6 into half. 2 1s are 2 3s are, means it is clearly 2 cube, which is equal to 8. That's it. Similarly, here we have 32 to the power 1 by 5. Let us go with 2 table. 2 1s are, remainder 1, 2 6s are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are, 1 2 3 4 5. So now I will write 32 as 2 to the power 5. Replace 32 by 2 to the power 5, which we got by LCM method, to the power 1 by 5 as it is. This is also a power m whole power n, which is equal to a to the power mn. So 2 to the power 5 into 1 by 5. 5 gets cancelled, means 2 to the power 1, which is simply 2. Hope you are understanding children. Same LCM method we did for 32, and we came to know that 32 is 2 to the power 5. So in replace 32 by 2 to the power 5 whole to the power 1 by 5 as it is. Again this is of the form a power m whole power n, which is equal to a power m into n. 5 into 1 by 5 andre 5 cancel adre you are left with 1. 2 power 1 is nothing but 2 is the answer. 125 LCM method. 5 table we shall start. 5 2s are 10, 2 remaining. 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25. Again 5 1s are 5 for a satisfaction. So now 5 cube 125 I can replace by 5 cube whole to the power 1 by 3 as it is. See, the questions will be such that you get the terms same and you can cancel it. So again it is of the form a power m whole power n, which is equal to a to the power mn, means 5 power 3 whole power 1 by 3 can now be written as 5 power 3 into 1 by 3. 3 3 same like here it gets cancelled, which is equal to 5 power 1 means simply 5. So all the 3 problems I have solved children. It is very easy. See, go for LCM method, write it in terms of power, simplify, finish. For this you should know all the 4 laws which I said you to write in a textbook. This is about first main. So we shall go to the second main. Second main is also find only children. First question is 9 to the power 3 by 2. Here should we go for LCM method? No, directly we can write now. 9 is 3 square. So 3 square to the power 3 by 2. Again this is of the form a power m whole power n, which is equal to a to the power m into n andre 3 power 2 whole power 3 by 2 na you can write it as 2 into 3 by 2. Avaga 2 ones are 2 ones are, if at all you get cancelled, you are left with only 1 into 3, 3. 3 cube is 27. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 is the answer. Is it not easy? Next you have 32 to the power 2 by 5. Just now we did not for LCM method for 32. What is it? 2 1s are 2 6s are 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 2s are 2 1 2 3 4 5. So 32 I will write it as 2 to the power 5 whole to the power 2 by 5, which is again a power m whole power n, which is a to the power mn. So 2 to the power 5 into 2 by 5, 5 ones are 5 ones are andre, that is equal to 2 square, which is equal to 4. Third question. Fourth one I will do, children. Third one you do. Question is 16 to the power 3 by 4 is there. 16 again, if you start from here, 16 can be written as 2 to the power 4. So 2 to the power 4 whole to the power 3 by 4. So it is again of the form a power m into a power n, which is a power mn. So 2 to the power 4, 4 will get cancelled. 2 cube you will get. Again it is 8. I will solve fourth question, which is having negative power. 125 to the power minus 1 by 3 is there. Now 125 you go, it is 5 cube no children, but I will show you once. 5 2s are 10, remainder 2, 5 5s are 25, again 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So I can write 125 as 5 to the power 3 whole to the power minus 1 by 3. Again it is of the form a power n whole power n, which is a to the power mn. So that is 5 to the power 3 into minus 1 by 3. 3 ones are 3 ones are. You have 5 to the power minus 1 now. Don't forget this minus sign. These steps are same children. 125 is 5 cube, we clearly know. Again it is of the form a power m whole power n a power mn. So 3 into minus 1 by 3 andre 3 ones are 3 ones are will get cancelled. You are left with minus 1. 5 to the power minus 1 andre it is 1 divided by 5. Correct? I have been teaching you in 8th standard. No, you all were doing mistake with this step only. If at all you are sending any number to the numerator, it will become to the power minus 1. Yavaga, on law of exponent you don't know. A power m by a power n is a to the power m minus n. They used to do this mistake. So 5 power minus 1 andre it should be written as 1 divided by 5. So this is about the second main children. We are left with last main. Third main, again it is simplified. We shall do it now. Third main children. First question is 2 to the, again simplify or find, I think, sorry. Simplify this is it. 2 to the power 3 by 2 into 2 to the power 1 by 5 is there. If you observe this question, it has same base 2. For both the terms, base is 2, correct? So it is of the form a power m into a to the power n, which is a to the power m plus n. First we did all the two mains with same law of exponent, which was that a power m whole power n is a power m n. Here new identity, a power m into a power n is a to the power m plus n. You can apply this provided the base is same. 2 and 2 bases are same children, so I am doing. Now, so a to the power m plus n means 3 by 2 plus 1 by 5. This is 3. 3 by 2 plus 1 by 5. Simply you cannot simplify, you should go for LCM. 2 to the power, power only, we should take LCM. This 2, same. 2 and 5 LCM is clearly 10. 2 5s are 10. 2 1s are 2 5s are. 5 3s are 15 plus 5 1s are 5 2s are. 2 into 1, 2. That is equal to 2 to the power 15 plus 2 is 17 divided by 2 is the answer. Further you cannot simplify, keep it. To the power 2 by 3 and 1 by 5. By mistake I wrote 3 by 2 and solved. Not a problem. you do one more problem of that type. So it is 2 to the power 2 by 3 and 1 by 5. Same identity. This little changes will be there. Same a power m, a power n, a power m plus n law only. 2 divided by 3 plus 1 by 5. Again LCM will be 15. 3 and 5 now. 3 5s are 15. Means 3 1s are 3 5s are. Remainder 5. 5 into numerator 2 is 10. Plus again 5 ones are, let me write it little bigger now, you cannot see. 2 LCM is 15. 3 and 5. 3 ones are 3 5s are. This denominator 3. Hope you have not forgotten taking LCM. 3 ones are 3 5s are. Remainder is 5. Whatever the remainder you get, multiply that with the numerator. Means 5 2s are 10. Plus sign is there, so plus. Again 5 ones are 5 3s are. Remainder 3. 3 into 1 is 3. 10 plus 3 is 30 divided by 15. Means answer is 2 power 30 divided by 15. Keep it as it is. This is how you solve first question. Second question is, children, 1 divided by 3. 1 divided by 3 cube whole to the power 7 is there. You need to simplify. So here this power 7 whatever is there, it is applying to both numerator and denominator, that you know, basic algebra it is. So if I apply this power 7 individually to the numerator and denominator, it becomes 1 to the power 7, 3 to the power 3 is already there, into 7 it becomes 3 power 3 is already there, 3 cubes though, into 7 it becomes. So next step only. 1 how many ever times you multiply also the product is 1. So 1 to the power 7 is 1. 3 to the power 3 7s are 21. 1 by 3 to the power 21. So this is of the form a power m by a power n. If you apply this as the form, if you take 3 to the numerator, children, it becomes 3 to the power minus 21. There we did know in one problem we got 5 to the power minus 1, which we wrote it as 1 by 5. Illi reverse. Numerator 5 is there. If I take to the denominator, it becomes minus. So 7 3s are 21 we got. If you take this 3 power 21 to the numerator, simply it becomes 3 power minus 21. This is about second problem. Third question. 11 to the power half by 11 to the power 1 by 4. 11 to the power half by divided by 11 to the power 1 by 4. Is it not of the form a power m by a power n? Base is same, that is 11. So what is this a power m into a power m by a power n andre a power m minus n we do. So children, base is same means I can write the base once, that is 11. M minus n. M here is half. First numerator power is half minus denominator power is 1 by 4. Okay na? So what was the question? 11 to the power half by 11 to the power 1 by 4 was given. If you compare this with the law of exponents, it is of the form a power m divided by a power n. A power m by a power n is a to the power m minus n. Here children, as I am writing for each formula which law I am applying, you should also write a power m minus n. What is m here? If you want, I can write one more step for you if at all it is confusing. Here I don't get your response now. Yes ma'am, no ma'am. So it is difficult for me. M is half, n is 1 by 4. So now I should write this in the form of a power m minus n andre my a value is 11. Correct? M is half, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. Here we need to take the LCM. 11 as it is. 2 and 4 LCM is clearly 4. This denominator of the first fraction. 2 1s are 2 2s are. Remainder 2. 2 into 1 is 2. Minus sign as it is. 4 and 4 get cancelled. 1 into 1 is. So I will show you here. I got is equal to 11 to the power 2 minus 1 divided by 4. That is equal to 11 to the power 2 minus 1 is 1 to the power 4. 11 to the 1 by 4 is the next. We shall solve the fourth question, children, which is the last problem of this lesson. So fourth question is 7 to the power half into 8 to the power half. Correct? Yes. 7 power half into 8 to the power half. If you observe, children, in other problems we used to have the base value same 2, 3 like that. Here base values are different, but power is half in both the case. Power is half in both the case. How to do, which law can you apply? It is like a to the power m into b to the power m. Correct? A power m into b to the power m. See, a and b I am writing. Why 7 is different, 8 is different. It is not 7 and 7 or 8 and 8. So, a power m into b power m. Power m I am writing same. Why? Because both the powers are half. What is a power? I will write it here only. It is simply product of a into b whole to the power n. This law of exponent you should write, children. Fourth question is of the form 7 to the power half into 8 to the power half, where the base values are different. A and b are there, but the power values half are same. So a power half means, what is that? A into b to the power m into m is ab to the power mb. Correct? Now, this law of exponent you should remember. A into b means 7 into 8 whole to the power half. I can write it as a into b means ab. What are the base? A, 7 and 8. So 7 into 8. Power you can write it once since it is common. So to the power half. Now 8 sevens are 56. 56 to the power half we got. So children, a power m, b power m, ab to the power m. So 7 into 8, 56. 56 to the power half. That's it. So this is how we simplify the given. See here, while I am doing, you may feel it easy, children. This law, because I am telling you which are the laws. But if at all in question paper together, if you see the mixed law of exponent form questions, children, you will definitely get confused. So please try to solve once you watch the video. How to solve, what are the steps, everything. When you do it in your class for children, if you scribble also no problem. For that sake, simply wantedly don't scribble. You try to do without seeing and practice for the test. So this completes your chapter number system. Until this problem or this exercise you have for your general assessment 1. So practice thoroughly. Any doubt you can text me. Do well in the test, and test will be for the span of 45 minutes. 6 to 6:45 test means for 15 marks it will be there. In between 6:45 to 7 p.m. I should receive all of your answer sheets. If you send it after 7, definitely we will mark absent for the test. Okay, now consider the test seriously and do well, children. Try to send the paper fast, and while taking the pictures, please write your name in each sheet, because in our mobile, all of your answer sheets, if at all together come, not only your section 8th, 10th, everyone will be sending. If at all, say handwriting and all, we cannot recognize and set in the gallery. Whatever you send will be saved in the gallery. So what I suggest you is, please put page number and write your name on all the answer sheets. Okay, now. So you take one double sheet or whatever sheet you are writing, keep it ready. Write your roll number, name, class, everything, page number, and keep it ready. Before you get the question paper, I am telling. So as soon as you get the question paper, you can start answering. If you don't use that page, no problem. You can use it for any other subject. It will not be a waste. So don't waste time writing name, roll number once you get the question paper. Why? You have only span of 45 minutes and question paper will be of 15 minutes. Practice well and do well in the test. In the next session, if possible, this before your test starts only, I will start with next lesson. It doesn't mean that you have for your test. I will be continuing with the portion. So do well in the test, children. Good luck. Take care.